Good afternoon guys, it's Sarah from Hills. I am here today over in Monton Village on Algernon Street with this absolutely fantastic extended 3-bedroom terrace property. So we've just got to my left the entrance of Duke's Drive, absolutely beautiful walk over there, linking up with the Worsley Loop line. Come and take a look around this absolutely incredible property. Turnkey presentation throughout. Let's move straight in. So we've got a lovely open plan living space to the ground floor. Floods of light coming in through that bay fronted lounge, the exposed brick as we come in via the entrance hallway, which then seamlessly flows into this beautiful formal dining space. The open chimney breast here for decoration. Just behind me, the heart of the home, this absolutely incredible extended fitted kitchen and dining space. A beautiful central island. We've got integrated appliances, double oven, your electric hob here in the middle, integrated dishwasher, and then these lovely bifolding doors out onto this beautiful low maintenance rear garden. So Indian stone paving around that lovely evergreen artificial lawn. Plenty of space to dine, quick breakfast, nice quick and easy lunch, and then, as I say, where you'd host for the evening in the formal dining space. Excellent open plan living for hosting, and equally just relaxing, as we are over in Monton Village, where you will find excellent shops, bars and restaurants literally just a stone's throw from where we are. So heading up to the first floor, beautifully presented once again, as was the ground floor. The smallest of the 3 rooms located to the rear of the property. Currently used as an office and overlooking the low maintenance rear garden. And just behind me now, down Alfred Street, you've got easy access to the lovely bars and restaurants. Nice modern bathroom, fabulous walk-in shower, jacuzzi style shower, and then into bedroom number 2. Really nice, generous double, plenty of space to navigate around the current furnishings in place. And once again, overlooking the rear garden. Continuing now down the hallway, you've got your loft access, which is boarded, also has power and therefore suitable for storage, and then into this lovely master bedroom, beautiful and bright with the 2 windows positioned to the front of the property. A hidden dressing space in your hanging area just behind me now. Plenty of space surrounding the king size bed. So it's a fabulous property, as you can see, turnkey presentation, located in the heart of Monton Village. Perfect for first time buyers as well as families, and will fall perfectly within catchment for Monton Green Primary. Beautiful scenic walks, excellently located in regards to your transport links. Now, if you are interested in coming along, taking a viewing of this lovely home, then please give us a call on 0161 707 4900 and get your viewing booked in today.